commitment before I proceed with the further process. Maximum 7 to 10 minutes, we will close the meeting. So no worries, it will not drag further. So I would like to appreciate a few members who made this meeting much more interesting and helping us at the last minute also. So I would like to appreciate Aarti, who is, okay, still there, Aarti, for having this fabulous theme and taking us through all this learnings. Always I look forward. And also Ashok, the VPE, who has meticulously planned this meeting and also introduced something little new. You know, every year we keep improving, and he introduced this Menti feedbacks. Maybe we will make it a little more smoothen in the upcoming meetings. And also our member Nurain for helping us with the last minute ad hoc role for being the evaluator and giving a very neutral feedback without knowing the movies also. And also thanks Viji for taking up the timer at the last minute and enjoying it, doing the timer role also, as you personally texted me. Thank you so much for everyone. And I would like to, I missed it, my bad in the beginning of the meeting. I would like to recognize the fourth district officer present among us is our distinguished Toastmaster Sundar Raman. So who is part of the club growth team. So, you know, we are honored with your presence.
Congratulations, sir.
Okay, so let's move with guest feedback. Before that, I have a couple of questions, or I would say some announcements. So to start with, I would like to appreciate our Vice President membership for bringing in 2 members in the very first meeting of Meraki. This goes into history, Poo. We never had this happen. Even on 1st of July 2017, we never brought in 2 new members. We were only had 20 members. So you brought in 2 new members in the first meeting, and I wholeheartedly welcome Vidya and Priya to join the gang of Meraki.
Thank you.
And I would like to share the screen now to maybe to recap the recognitions of last year as well as little. I could see my screen. So once again, I congratulate all these 4 district leaders who emerged from Meraki, to start with Aarti on the Division F, Jayan being the public relations manager, and Sundar on club coach, and Jai Chitra on content chair. And we would be immensely happy, and we would be happy to help and grow with you together in the whole endeavor of the next 1 year. So hearty congratulations. And this is something, a recap of the last year, which we released it recently. These are all the Triple Crown winners of 2019-20. Aarti, Nurain, Sundar Raman, Badri, and JC for not only 3 awards, few of them has gone beyond 3 also. So TA has limited, you know, we know these kind of people exist. So they limited only 3 as a Triple Crown. A few of them call it as a double Triple Crown, triple Crown, but you know, we limited to Triple Crown. So we are really happy that we have emerged with 5 Triple Crown awards in the last Toastmaster year of 2019 and 20. So what is much more heartening to see today, hardly, you know, we don't talk about DCP at this early stage, but still it is, it's proud and happy that we are almost marching towards our DCP 5 status. By adding these 2 members, we are halfway through, and there are few more members who has completed their milestone speeches today. So it is time to recognize those milestone speakers also. To start with, already Vijay Lakshmi has achieved the Triple Crown for the year 2020-21. Hearty congratulations, Vijay, on this level 3, 4, 5 completion. And also the next one, a little less than few hours ago, the Meraki has you know, gave birth to another DTM, I would say the newest DTM of 2020-21, Aarti Mangalam Jairaj for ALS as well as DTM award. And today, 2 of our members have completed their level 1. One is Anirudh from Engaging Humor and Shankar from Presentation Mastery. Let us give a big round of applause. Unmute yourself. There is no harm. You can unmute yourself and give big round of applause for all of them. So we are almost close to 4 of DCP. I'm sure we will march towards 5 in very soon in another couple of meetings, and we will target what is maximum possible under the sky. So with this, I will, yes, Sundar.
Yeah, I forget to ask this question, a rhetoric question. I don't want an answer. So this was to Toastmaster Vidya. So as a American, would you be in a position to keep your video switch on throughout the meeting?
We will ask our VP membership to help with.
So actually, there was a power cut, so she couldn't able to do the.
That's why she joined a little late.
She joined a little late on that. Now you.
I think we are missing Kripa also because of power cut.
Because of the power cut, yeah. There's a lot
Okay,
of power
Sundar,
cut in the city,
can we have a feedback one last time as a guest, Priya and Vidya?
Satish, this is Vidya here.
Yeah, please. Yeah. Yes, Vidya. For the today's meeting. Yeah.
I really like the way you people try to put up things week after week in elevating a member's confidence. I can see that in your slides. So looking forward to be associated in a greater level with Meraki, and happy that I'm inducted today into this.
Thank you so much, Vidya. Priya?
Yes, I would like to tell you about this particular incident that I was attending the Meraki meetings continuously. One particular day was I was not able to register before the that particular link closed. So what happened was I approached few people and I asked like I want to attend the meeting because of some things happened. That's why I was not able to register it. But they said like, no, Priya, you can't join because you have not registered, and we have some PPTs. These things has to be sent to the people in advance to prepare themselves and come for the meeting. So you are not supposed to join the meeting. Actually, that makes me to think like, no, I won't attend any meeting of Meraki as a guest. If I'm attending, I'm going to be the member. That's it. So that kind of a strict no made me to actually work on my speeches and complete it. So I'm expecting the same no's from people of Merakis to make me to work on my speeches. So great Merakis. I'm a member now. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you, Priya, for your feedback and taking it very positively rather than dwelling on the no's. We are sure we want to add value to the participants who have registered already, and we are putting in a lot of efforts in the preparations. Okay, so now we have come to the last leg of meeting today to announce the results. So Ashok, would you be able to share your screen?
Yes, Satish. We can move on.
Yeah. So we are going to announce the results. The best tag role player goes to Grammarian Nurain. Yes, we all can unmute your audio and you can clap.
Nurain.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Better to come.
Yeah. Next one, Ashok. The best role player goes to distinguished Toastmaster RP. Okay, we will.
DD, ma'am.
We will convey her. I think she has left to attend the Division D OTP.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, Ashok. Oh, best table topics. Shankar.
Keeping his mouth shut.
When you appreciate, you get all these things, Shankar. Just appreciate. Yeah. Yes, Ashok. Okay. Best evaluator. Okay. DTM Nurain.
Thank you.
Congratulations. See, Nurain, after we start in-person meeting, we will give all these ribbons and you have to only one. Okay. So I gave you this role.
I'm counting on it. Thank you.
And not to mention, Ashok, the best prepared speaker for today is Toastmaster Shankar again, with the qualified speaker. Congratulations, Shankar. And before we conclude this meeting, so I would like to recap what kind of lesson I took it from Jayan on finding out a creative or a crazy or innovative idea. Whenever we are stuck with a problem, no worries. When you find out a creative or a crazy or a funny idea which might help you to find a solutions, I'm sure I would like to leave you with this thought that no worries. Always we have solutions for whatever problem we face. With this, I would adjourn the meeting to 25th July 2020 on Meraki 86. Thank you. Pooh, if you would like to take a
Thank you.
picture, maybe we can take a picture.
Yeah, sure. May I also show shine light. Thank you. Give me one more second. Thank you so much, everyone. Yeah.
Thank you. See you all on the next meeting on 25th July, 7 a.m.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
You.
Bye.